They say if you go to Italy but don't see Sicily, you haven't seen Italy at all. But for us, this wasn't about just checking boxes or seeing the main sights. It was 1,000 kilometers of driving. And yes, the drive was beautiful, though sometimes a bit bumpy. We preferred slow travel over the tourist rush. No film crews, no drones, just us and a small rental car. From waking up in a quiet farm to finding the empty side streets of Palermo, we looked for the real soul of Sicily. This is our 10-day route and a short story about how we experienced Sicily. If you're about to plan your Sicily road trip, then you should first watch this video. This is the route you should take. Our journey starts here, in the east. We found a small farm, an Agriturismo, to be our base. Driving through the clementine and olive trees every morning, it really helps you to leave the stress behind and just be here. It's the perfect slow start. To see the coast, you have to go up. The drive to Castelmola is steep and a bit tight, but when you look down at the sea from this high, everything feels quiet. We spent an hour just walking the narrow stone streets and breathing in the fresh air. Just below is Taormina. It's more famous and a bit more crowded, but you can't miss it. The view from the Belvedere with the church behind us and the blue water in front, it's like a dream. Even with the tourists, if you take your time, you find the magic. This is Savoca. You might recognize Vitelli from the Godfather movies. It was strange and beautiful to see the old photos on the wall and statue of Scopello. It feels like a place where time decided to stop many years ago. And then, the big volcano. As we drove up, the green trees turned into black lava. It was so windy, the cable cars was closed at first, so we just jumped into these massive 4x4 trucks. At the top, the wind was so strong we couldn't reach the main crater. Nature decided that for us. But walking around the smaller craters was enough to feel the power of this earth. We eventually caught the lift back down just as the wind was shifting. Moving north, we arrived in Cefalù. Walking through the stone streets to the cathedral feels like stepping into a storybook. We ended the day at the port. Watching the sun go down from the rocks is a moment of total peace. We based ourselves in Terrasini. Our apartment had the simple garden and looked right over the water. There's something about the salt air here that makes you want to stay forever. In Mondello, the water is so clear it doesn't look real. But to see the scale of it all, you have to go up. From Monte Pellegrino, you look down at the whole city and the sea. It's a huge, breathtaking perspective. We kept exploring the coast, from the quiet center of Scopello to the old harbor of Castellammare. Every village has its own rhythm. Watching the castle reflect in the water at the port was a beautiful moment. We then took the bus up to see the ancient Greek theater and the temple. Standing here in the middle of these hills, you realize how many layers of history Sicily actually has. Before Palermo, we stopped in Monreale. The view over the valley is incredible, but seeing the memorial for those lost to the mafia reminds you of the deep, complicated history of this land as you walk towards the cathedral. Then Palermo. It's a complete change of pace. The markets are loud, the street food is everywhere, and the energy is magnetic. From the Grand Opera House to the historic Quattro Canti, it's a city of contrasts. We finished our walk at the cathedral. Surrounded by the vibrant life of the capital, it's messy, it's loud, and it's perfect. Heading south, the landscape changed again. Walking along the beach toward the Scala dei Turchi feels like walking towards a different world. These white marble cliffs are soft like salt and completely natural. It's a strange, beautiful place to climb. We stopped at Farm Magazzè for a change of pace. Seeing the buffaloes, especially the babies, and visiting the donkey farm was a reminder of why we love slow travel. It's about these simple, quiet moments with nature. We reached the Baroque heart of the island. Walking up the main street of Ragusa in the sunset light, the stone literally glows. It's a steep climb, but every step is worth it. Modica is just as dramatic. We visited the two main cathedrals, San Pietro and San Giorgio. To get between them, you have to walk in the narrow, winding alleys that hide the real soul of the city. Entering Noto through the Roman gate feels like walking into a theater. The main street is perfectly designed, leading your eyes straight to the massive cathedral. It's elegant, grand, and very Sicilian. In the late afternoon, we found ourselves in Marzamemi. This old tuna fishing village has so much color and life. It's the kind of place where you just want to sit, have a coffee, and watch the sun move across the stone. Our final stop was Syracuse. We started at the market, the smell of fresh fish and that sweet, cold pomegranate juice. It's the taste of the island. We walked all the way to the edge of the sea, past the Icarus statue to the Castellomanias. Ending our journey in Piazza Archimede, we realized that 1,000 kilometers wasn't enough. Sicily always leaves you wanting more. We know that planning a trip like this can be a bit overwhelming. That's why we put everything, the full 10-day itinerary, our favorite farm stays, and all the logistics on our website, fomotraveler.guide. You can find the link right in the description below. And if you open the sidebar, you can download all our secret pins directly to your phone. Thanks for watching and happy travels! Inside the post, you'll find our custom map.